So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my first ever video on this channel. So this is my 2019 Verna SX optional petrol. So today I am going to teach you guys how to clean your air filter for this car. So first we have to pop the hood. So let's just try to open it with one hand, and let's just keep this down for a second. So here's my engine. I know it is very dirty. This is probably gonna be the next video where I'm going to clean all of this. So that's why I've left it dirty for a couple of weeks. So here is the air filter that is located right above the left hand side of the headlight. So to prop this open, you have to just unclip these two clips which are right here, and like you don't have to unscrew all of this to get the air filter out. It is very comparatively simple to get. You just have to lift this one up, lift this shroud up, and get this filter out like this. Like I'm doing all of this by my left hand. So this is a Verna air filter looks like. This is what a Verna's air filter looks like. So अब how to clean this? देखो, एक तो पहली बात तो है ये बहुत गंदा. मतलब this is comparatively clean. To be very honest, this hasn't been touched in like 2 years. So this is comparatively clean. This car only has like around 10,000 kilometers on it. So it is pretty clean. But for the sake of this video, let's assume that this is clean. And let's put this back. So to put this back, we have to again like just lift this lid up like this. And yes, while you have this open, चेक कर लो अंदर कि कुछ गंदा तो नहीं है इसके अंदर, कि किसी ने रैट ने नेस्ट तो नहीं बना रखा या कुछ पत्ते वत्ते तो नहीं है. जो मुझे सिर्फ एक वो छोटा सा पीस ज़रूर दिख रहा है, बट अदर देन दैट इट्स प्रिटी क्लीन. तो लेट्स जस्ट प्रॉप दिस बैक इनसाइड. Like this. So I hope you guys saw it. I don't know, I was holding it with my chin like this. Place it back in its spot. Like these two are the holding clips, like जो hinge सा होता है. Make sure कि इसके अंदर है this guy, this small little guy. Focus हो जा भाई. These guys, one is here, the other one's there. So देख लेना इसके अंदर फिट है. देन ये अपनी प्लेस में बहुत फ्लश तरीके से सेट करेगा. एंड जस्ट पिन दिस क्लिप्स बैक and you're all set to go. So I hope you like this video. This was a short one. I'll meet you guys in the next one.